Hello guys! Good morning. Today in Valley View, Alberta, Canada. I'm gonna share with you guys a Filipino dish. It's called munggo. Okay guys, like munggo beans. So today is September 14, 2024 po, and it's our day off finally. And I just wanna share with you guys some of our activities po. So we're planning to go to Edmonton to visit our eldest child, and we woke up like around early, but we slept in again. So we finally got up around 9 o'clock a.m. I washed the dishes because tinamad po ako kagabi guys. So career mom Sarah here, so let's get it on. So guys, I'm back. So I don't have enough memory in my phone. So I'm just cutting every part of the video to make it work para may ma-share po ako sa inyo. So my ingredients for my munggo are, actually I started it na po. We have garlic, onion, pork belly, and then tokwa or tofu, and then the munggo beans, and then optional I will put a chicharon. So I don't know the English of chicharon, but later po i-search po natin yan how we called it in English. And then finally we will just finish it with spinach on top. Okay guys, so ayan na po guys, pinapalambot ko na po yung ating pork belly. So, for seasonings po, nilagyan ko po siya ng salt and pepper and Italian seasoning. Wala lang, parang mabago lang po. Something. Try and error lang po. Ayan. Italian seasoning. So, that one, we bought it from Costco last month. Or actually, it's been 4 months already, guys. So, ayun, while I'm doing here in our kitchen, at our kitchen, yung asawa ko po ay naglilinis na po ng bag because we're planning to travel today if makancel po ang kanyang A&W job. So guys, ayun na po, magsasaing na po tayo guys. So konti lang kasi not sure po kung tayo po ay matutuloy for Edmonton to visit our eldest son. So with my rice, I put proportion of brown rice and white rice po because yung husband ko po is diabetic. So wala lang, I don't know if we'll have an effect po, pero we're trying. Kasi po, isang beses lang naman po kami kumakain ng rice. Starting po nung malaman namin na diabetic po siya. So, pati po ako, nag-adjust na rin po. Na 1 rice a day lang po talaga. So, that one guys. So, plan ko rin po magprito po ng galunggong for food pair po sa ating munggo. So, ayan guys, we put into our pot. Hindi ko po mahanap ang ating there. Medyo hindi po siya malinis, no? Nag-start pa lang po ako maglinis. So, ayan, magluto muna tayo. And then after, saka tayo maglinis. Ayan po guys. So, pinatay natin yung rice and make sure that yung pong pressure po niya is facing down. Guys, now we have to wait for the rice to be cooked around 12 minutes or so. So, there you go guys. Nalagay ko na po dyan yung ating tokwa or tofu. So, I did not fry it separately po because to save time. Kasi right now po, it's, ayan po guys, past 12 o'clock na po sa amin. So, namatayan po kami ng halaman, si aloe vera. But we're planning to buy another one, same kind. Talagang gusto ko na po talaga magka-aloe vera. Pero, I think we overwatered it, kaya it died just today. Yan po guys. And I'm gonna show you what happened. So yan po ang aming stand. Lately lang po namin na-buy. So wala pa siyang masyadong decorations. Ayan po ang nangyari sa aming aloe vera. Wawa naman. Yan guys. So balik tayo dun guys. So medyo makalat pa guys sa aming kitchen. Ayan. So let's simmer it for another maybe 10 minutes. Gusto ko po kasi lutong-luto po yung kanin. Medyo crunchy to taste and to eat. Right? Okay guys, going back. So, nalinis ko na po ang ating fish. So, there. I already cleaned them. So, usually po talaga dito sa Canada, all our fish stocks comes in frozen state po guys. Tapos, and then, ito na lang po namin. And then, when we're going to cook them, we will just pull them out from the freezer po guys. So, ayan. Ready na po ang ating oil. There we go. Ayan po ay still going pa po yung ating munggo. Hindi natin ang apoy. So, now, I'm gonna put them on by one. So, malinis naman po ang ating kamay. Kahit hindi siya magpapansit. Ayan. So, guys, ang ating kitchen na hindi masyado pa kung malinis. Guys. So, ayan. Gagamit tayo ng pansit. Yeah, good. Ano po yung kasala ko. Hindi siya maglinis, guys. So, put natin yung ganyan, guys. Ito siya sila. Okay. Hi! Say hi, my love!
Kahit.
Ayan po, guys. Prito-prito na po tayo, guys. So, ayan na, guys. Nalagay ko na po ang ating 3 boiled mango beans para mabilis na po siya lang. Lagyan na din sa pork belly. Simmer and boil. And it's gonna put the so, ayun na guys, pinalitaan na po ako ng aking asawa na matutulog po kami dahil concert po sa ALW guys. So, na-press na ko lalo. So, yun na po. Ayan. So, bababa po tayo. So, pag po pala piniprito ko po ito is minimove around ko siya para even po yung pagkakapit. Kasi yung aming palagi ay hindi pwede din sa side na yun. Kasi po guys, may bago din kami fruits na ayoko maglinis na bong-bong-bongga. Kaya guys. Okay. So, we're back guys. Ayan na po. Almost done cooking na po. Na-flip na po namin yung ating galunggong. Jeep. In short. And we already put all the and that's enough. Just let it simmer for another 1 minute. And yep. Serve na po natin. At kakain na tayo. We're gonna prepare for our trip po. Okay, ang aking asawa po ay nakapwesto na po sa living room. Manonood daw siya ng Sakurado. Slumbo. Guys, and we'll be right back. Okay? So, a moment sa preparation. Horus, mag-ilaw ka muna sa mga fans mo. Mag-ilaw ka muna. Ayan na po. Kakain na po kami, guys. Mag-ilaw ka muna sa Philippines.
Hello.
Ayan. Luto na, guys. Ang ating munggo, leftover sardinas, at talong. Ayan, maglilinis na tayo ng ating kusina. Kasi matutulog siya tayo. Isang ating munggo. Kain na. Let's eat. Dear, kain na. Si Monchi. Tawagin mo na si Monchi. kami guys. So ayan guys, di po kami natuloy ni My Love. Pinamigay na po namin yung aming ulam.
Tutuloy tayo tomorrow.
Bukas na lang daw po kami tutuloy dahil walang ma-book na hotel. Ayan, it's too late. So, 3 hours ang biyahe plus stopovers. Bali 5 hours. Kaya, ayun guys. See you tomorrow eh. Ganda ng upuan namin. Oh, wala pa kami pambili. No, na lang po ulit kami ng Sakuragi. Okay guys, see you! So yun na nga guys. Like, share, and subscribe na lang po guys. Lazy hours na po namin. Maya ligo na po tayo. Note po kami ng Sakuragi. So, hope nag-enjoy po kayo sa ating day off. Ganun pa rin po ang ating itsura. Guys, taong bahay. So, sana po kayo ay nasarapan sa ating cooking lesson for the day. Wala na po kaming ulam mamaya kasi akala namin matutuloy kami. So, pinamigay na po natin sa kapatid po natin dun sa kabilang bahay. So, anyway, hindi naman po kami na nagra-rice ng gabi. Buti na lang may tinira pa kaming konti. So, doon na lang sa dalawang kids. Yan, si My Love. Naghahanap na simbahan.
Yung 1161 na ano
para
nga sila?
bukas. Pagdalaw namin kay Christopher, guys.
1,000.
Yun. Guys, nakatayo na rin po guys yung aming Christmas tree. Empty pa po yun. Busy po siya guys. Napaghanap ng aming simbahan sa Edmonton bukas. So, don't mind our looks. Messy look po kami. Bye guys. God bless always.